When it comes to building a gaming PC, especially those with small form factor builds, every component has to be carefully chosen to ensure optimal performance and cooling capabilities. But what if you want to take your gaming experience to the next level without sacrificing that sleek form factor? In today's high-performance world, having a powerful graphics card is crucial, and that's exactly what the ASUS SFF-Ready Prime NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 offers, the perfect blend of raw power and compact design. As we all know, the traditional graphics card market has been plagued by heat-related issues and size constraints, which can make it difficult to build and maintain a gaming PC. However, the ASUS SFF-Ready Prime NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 addresses this problem with a 2.5-slot design that provides an optimal balance between cooling performance and compatibility. But what if I told you that this isn't just any ordinary graphics card? It's powered by the cutting-edge NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and features DLSS 4, which unlocks unprecedented performance and visuals. The moment you lay eyes on the ASUS SFF-Ready Prime NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070, you'll immediately notice its sleek and compact design. The 2.5-slot layout allows for greater build compatibility, making it an excellent choice for small form factor builds. I was truly impressed by the build quality and attention to detail from a sturdy metal plate that provides structural integrity to the intuitive cable management system. The overall design exudes a sense of precision and refinement, leaving a lasting impression. One of the standout features of this graphics card is its cooling system. The Axial Tech fans employ a unique design that features a smaller fan hub, allowing for longer blades that maximize airflow while reducing turbulence. The barrier ring around the fan hub increases downward air pressure, ensuring that hot air is effectively pushed out of the system. Additionally, the phase-change GPU thermal pad ensures optimal heat transfer, making the GPU temperatures plummet for enhanced performance and longevity. Now that we've taken a closer look at the design and build quality, it's time to delve into the impressive feature set of the ASUS SFF-Ready Prime NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070. As I mentioned earlier, the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4 provide unparalleled performance and visuals. With support for up to 8K resolution and ray tracing, you can immerse yourself in the most stunning and detailed gaming experiences. The graphics card also boasts 12 GB of GDDR7 memory, ensuring that even the most complex games can be rendered smoothly. During my real-world testing, I was blown away by the ASUS SFF-Ready Prime NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070's performance. I played a variety of modern titles, including Cyberpunk 2077 and Assassin's Creed Odyssey, at 4K resolution and 144 Hz refresh rate. The graphics card effortlessly handled these demanding games, delivering smooth frame rates and stunning visuals. I was also impressed by its power efficiency, which is always a concern for small form factor builds. Of course, no review would be complete without discussing the pros and cons of the ASUS SFF-Ready Prime NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070. On the plus side, it offers exceptional performance, compact design, and advanced cooling features. However, the 2.5-slot layout may limit its compatibility with certain cases, and it's worth noting that the dual BIOS might require some tweaking to achieve optimal performance. When it comes to competing options, the ASUS SFF-Ready Prime NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 stands out from the crowd. Its unique blend of raw power, compact design, and innovative cooling features makes it an attractive choice for enthusiasts who demand the best. While other graphics cards may boast similar specifications, none can match the ASUS SFF-Ready Prime NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070's overall package. In conclusion, the ASUS SFF-Ready Prime NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 is a true powerhouse that sets a new standard for graphics cards in the small form factor market. With its exceptional performance, advanced cooling features, and sleek design, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to take their gaming experience to the next level. So if you're ready to unleash your gaming potential, I highly recommend the ASUS SFF-Ready Prime NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070.